And they're off. Belle Gallantey away well from the far outside and from the rail. It's Endless Chatter. And Stop Charging Maria is up close as they race up the chute. Belle Gallantey with the lead by 2 lengths. Stop Charging Maria second by a head. Endless Chatter down at the rail and 50 Shades of Haze on the outside. Then Stanwyck and Toasting right together, a break of 3 to the big long shot, Oasis at Midnight, who trails the field in 7th. The quarter went in 24 seconds. Belle Gallantey setting the way here and leading by 2 lengths over Stop Charging Maria. Endless Chatter is third by a half length with Toasting in between horses and Stanwyck on the outside in the clear. Another length and a half to 50 Shades of Hay. Oasis at Midnight continues to trail, and Belle Gallantey continues to lead and has opened up a 3-length advantage after a half that was run in 47 2/5 seconds. Belle Gallantey now by almost 4 lengths over Stop Charging Maria. Endless Chatter down at the rail. And then it's Toasting, who's asked for a bit more and is coming on through. Stanwyck is 5th. Farther back, it's 50 Shades of Hay and Oasis at Midnight. All chasing Belle Gallantey, who ran 3/4 in 1:11.1. Belle Gallantey by 3 lengths as they come for the quarter pole. Stop Charging Maria, Endless Chatter, and Toasting as they turn for home. Belle Gallantey trying to go wire to wire here, and she's in front by 4. Stop Charging Maria in second, then Endless Chatter, Toasting, and Stanwyck. Belle Gallantey pouring it on in the stretch. The Beldame belongs to Belle Gallantey, a 7-length winner. Stop Charging Maria was second. Close for third, Endless Chatter or Stanwyck.